diving into one of the most exciting throwback-inspired trucks of the year, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup. This bold and nostalgic model combines classic GMC truck styling with modern technology, offering a perfect blend of old-school charm and cutting-edge performance. If you're a fan of retro trucks with modern capabilities, this one is definitely worth checking out. Exterior: a classic look with a modern touch. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is designed to capture the essence of GMC's legendary trucks from the past while incorporating contemporary design elements. The front end features a bold, boxy grille, reminiscent of classic GMC pickups from the 70s and 80s, complete with retro-style round LED headlights. Chrome accents and classic two-tone paint options add to the vintage aesthetic, making it a true head-turner on the road. From the side, you'll notice the squared-off fenders, large all-terrain wheels, and throwback badging that pay homage to GMC's heritage. The bed is designed with a mix of modern functionality and classic styling, featuring durable materials and an optional wood panel insert for an extra retro touch. The tailgate even comes with a classic GMC script logo, tying the entire look together. Interior: a blend of retro and high-tech step inside the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, and you'll be greeted with an interior that perfectly balances nostalgia with modern convenience. The dashboard features classic analog-style dials, but don't be fooled. There's a digital display cleverly integrated behind them. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits in the center, offering GMC's latest Google-based interface, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The seats are wrapped in premium leather or plaid fabric, giving you the choice between a rugged or more luxurious feel. The wood and chrome trim on the dashboard and door panels further enhance the old-school vibe. And if you love vintage-style toggle switches, you'll appreciate their presence in the climate control system. Performance: power meets reliability. Under the hood, the GMC Vintage Pickup comes with a choice of two engines, a 5.3L V8 producing around 355 horsepower, or a 6.2L V8 delivering 420 horsepower for those who want extra muscle. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and offer rear-wheel drive, RWD, or four-wheel drive, 4WD options. For those looking for a more fuel-efficient alternative, there's even talk of a hybrid-assisted V6 in the lineup. The truck's off-road package includes upgraded suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making it more than capable of handling rugged terrain. Safety and technology. Despite its vintage appeal, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is packed with modern safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera system, pricing and availability. The base model is expected to start around $50,000, with higher trims reaching up to $75,000 depending on options like the Denali or AT4X package. Final thoughts. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is a dream come true for truck enthusiasts who love classic styling but don't want to sacrifice modern performance, safety, and technology. Whether you're a collector, an off-road adventurer, or just someone who appreciates old-school charm with modern engineering, this truck is worth the hype. Would you buy one? Let us know in the comments.